you can, sabi niya,
These are maybe.
you can move that thing, sabi niya gano'n. Just
This one
I
is
think,
like, I named it
the thing that
Minty
we're gonna do, sabi niya
because
gano'n,
it's
is
like
either tanggalin yung IV sa
mintish.
kanya,
Oh,
or
this is sunset,
bedpan.
guys.
Wala man si Pamela.
Sunset or
Tutong.
sunrise.
Well, hindi pa dumating si
And
Pamela
this
ato.
one is,
Di ano naman ang bedpan.
I don't know what to name this one.
Di man siya
Probably
sa
gonna name
bedpan.
this
Sabi
Snowy.
niya, hindi raw siya komportable.
So,
Sabi ko nga,
yeah.
you just try. Sabi ko,
And
this
I
is the
named
only
this
solution that I can
dude
think right now. Sabi ko gano'n.
Cowie
The nurse is
and
kako is
Teddy.
still on break. Itong arte siya. Kanina, naabtan ako ng nurse din doon, si Pamela. Dalawa kami. Nandun. Sabi ko, hindi niya rin naman matanggal. Sabi niya, sabi ko, I think, hindi natin siya magdadala pa ako, using the Sarah Steady because ako naka-attach sa kanyang IV and hindi dito sa kabila. Sabi niya, sabi niya,
Gold here.
Sabi niya,
Oh gosh.
tinanong pa niya ako, sabi niya gano'n, anong gagawin mo?
I'm
Sabi ko,
gonna take that off.
maybe we can do a bedtime again. Sabi ko, early in the morning, yun yung ginawa namin. But, sabi ko gano'n, sadly, hindi siya success. So, sabi niya, maybe we should try it again. Tapos, pagpunta na ako,
The one on my nose, you can't tell, but there's like one there. So it's a scratch. It's from my friend.
I cannot do it.
She scratched me by
There's
accident.
something
This one
bothers
is
you on
from
back,
my
sabi
boy.
niya. Sabi ko,
Boy.
yun yung bed pa na nilagay ko dyan sa likod mo.
Boy.
Bakit yan ka umihi? That's why tinabunan
Break,
ko rin
break,
sa
break,
harapan
break,
mo ng
break.
Luis.
And then
Para
friend.
hindi ka mabasa in case mamihi ka.
Like, just a
Sabi niya,
friend
no,
that is a friend
I
that
cannot
is a
make it.
boy.
Sabi niya, just
He
pull it out.
scratched me.
Ito, gikuha
This
na lang
one
Kasi balik na
was
ako
when I
ng
was
diaper.
trying to
Tapos
push
sabi
my
niya,
friend on the
just
snake and I fell. So I scratched
assist
it.
me going to the bathroom. Sabi ko, I cannot do that. Sabi, if you want, kung gano'n, you can pee on your diaper.
Okay.
Ganun din siya. Bahala siya. Pagtapos ng bili na ako ito. Ito nanangid ako kay Loretta. Kay Magdugay. Dapat ko. Tadra. Hello, ito. Ito si number 7. Manuhin ko ato mag-story. You know what? There's something wrong going on. Sabi niya gano'n. I don't know what the people are doing here. It seems that they are not doing well. Sabi niya gano'n. I mean, sabi niya gano'n. I thought that para raw gagaling siya pag nandito siya.
Bye guys.